Shaffner here. Welcome. I am so glad that you are visiting my channel, and today it is a Trendsend unboxing. Have you ever tried Trendsend? I mean, Trendsend is great. I really enjoy my Trendsend. Did you see my last Trendsend video? It was a real hit. I was able to keep 4 items, and Trendsend has just rolled out this new program. Now if you keep 4 or more items in the box, you get a 10% discount. So I was really happy. I got that discount on my last box. So Trendsend is a style box created by the company Evereve, and Evereve is a women's clothing retailer. I guess it's nationwide. They do not have any stores near me, so I get my Evereve through my Trendsend. So I just went online, filled out a style profile, and I am paired with different stylists. I don't know if I've ever had the same stylist twice in a row. There is a $20 styling fee for every box that you receive, and that fee comes off of anything that I decide to purchase in the box. So I'm always hopeful that there's at least one keeper in the box, and it's a pretty good bet that it is. So if you need more information about Trendsend, I have left all the information as well as my referral link in the description box below. And ladies, if you use my referral link, I receive 20% off my next box. So thank you to everyone that has used my referral link. If you use my link, Trendsend then extends a 20% discount to me on my next box, and I do have a discount on this box. Thank you for using my link, and thank you to everyone that has used my link. You really make this channel possible when you use my link, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But one of the cool things about Trendsend is all you need to do is get your first box, and then you get a link to share with your friends, and then you get an even bigger discount on the clothing inside this box. So like I said, all you need to know is in the description box below. Let's dive into this box. Okay, this is what the inside of the box looks like. First thing I see is my mailer. So anything that doesn't work out for me, I can send back. Postage is free, and this is done through the post office, really easy. I also have an envelope here, and this is a stylist note as well as my invoice. So yeah, I have to pay for everything. So we have a couple bundles here. Bundle number 1. I don't know what this is, but I'm already liking it. This is what the bundle looks like. Let's break into it. I love these. Oh my goodness, that's the bottom. Here is the top of the blouse. Okay, this one is by Sunday in Brooklyn, and the regular price on this one is $68. It's marked down to $54.99, so for $55, I love the colors. This is a cream color. It does have some beige, almost an olive color, red and blue. Yes, and is it a faux wrap? It's a wrap, and it is not a faux wrap. There is a modesty snap, but doesn't this look like a Kelly Shaffner top? Cross your fingers that this one works. Looking good so far. Okay, we have another top. Oh, this is pretty. This is by Sanctuary, which means it's expensive. And I feel like I have tried this blouse before through Evereve and Trendsend. So this is a nice little floral, and it is a button up. It does have a V-neck. There are some little flutter cap sleeves, and it also has an interesting back. It is longer in the back, and it does have that split opening in the back. I think I liked this. I think I couldn't afford it. Ooh, no, I couldn't. The original price was $79. This is marked down to $39.99. So I probably told my stylist before if it ever goes on sale to send it to me, and they are so good at Trendsend about doing that. I love getting sale items in my Trendsend boxes. Okay, next up, I can tell we have Articles of Society. That's what the A is all about. Ooh, look, I see some interesting hem detail, which I am all about that interesting hem. Ooh, these are distressed. Look at that, very cute. Very cute. What do we have? I don't see a tag on. Oh, here it is. These are the Rena High Rise Straight Ankle. They are $69.50. I have very good luck with articles of society. I have lots of them, but I do appreciate this very interesting hem detail. So these look great. Okay, bundle number 2. Okay, this looks a little bit more conservative. Oh no, white denim. No, not white denim. Okay, on the top, I love it already. I don't know what it is, but I love it. This is a Lush top, and this is a polyester top. I can tell by the feel. It does have the rounded top, and there is a pocket there. We do have a rounded bottom, and the back is a little bit longer than the front. I like this a lot. Let's look at the price. The price is $38. I just picked up a red t-shirt like top like this, so I don't know that I need this, but I love it. I love it. Is it possible to have too many red tops? Let me know. Okay, this is really good. These are not white pants. Yay! Okay, this is a cut from the cloth white denim jacket, and I do have a white denim jacket. If you've been following me for a while, last summer I did a comparison between a high-end white jacket and a lower-end white jacket, and I ended up buying an oversized white denim jacket, and I like it. But I do think that I would prefer something a little bit more fitted, and hopefully that's what this is. I like this frayed hemline there, and yeah, this is just very clean cut jacket cut from the cloth, and this is $89. It is not on sale. I do have that 20% discount. Thank you, ladies, because this cut jacket may be in my future. I hope it fits well, because yeah, this is really pretty. And the last piece is, what is this? Okay, these are joggers, and they have a very interesting hemline as well. Can you see that hem? How that hem is cut? It looks almost like a tulip hem. These are $50, and these are by Z Supply, and let's see, they're in a size medium. Hopefully they fit and don't fit too tight. These are really super soft. If you're familiar with Z Supply t-shirts, you know how wonderful they feel when you put them on, and I have a feeling these are going to feel just as nice. These are in black, and they do have pockets. I like these as well. Sometimes I size up in my joggers because they're joggers, right? They're supposed to be comfortable. I can't wait to try everything on and hear what you think about this. This is a wonderful Trendsend box. What do you guys think? I like so many of the pieces, so I will really need your help. Now, I'm styled by a girl named Elizabeth, and Elizabeth has styled me before and done a really good job. I do remember the great stylist, and Elizabeth is one of them. She does write a very thoughtful note, but one of the things I want to share with you is Elizabeth says to me, okay, if you love something in your box but need a different size, let me know and I'll have the new size sent to you. I tried to include versatile pieces that would be great for transitioning into spring. Have fun trying everything on and let me know how everything works for you. Don't forget, you can always add pieces to your wish list at evereve.com, and we can send you those in your boxes. Score. So just a little tip, if you are using Trendsend, make sure to go to the Evereve site and heart all the things, put them on your wish list, items that you would like to try in your Trendsend box, basically risk-free. And you have 5 days. I do have 5 days to decide with this box what I want to keep and send back, so I have plenty of time to think about it and to get your feedback on the pieces. I love that extra few days that Trendsend offers their customers. Let's quickly go over each piece. I'll let you know which pieces I'm leaning towards keeping, and then you can talk me out of it or maybe talk me into another. Okay, the first piece is this Sunday and Brooklyn top. I love the colors on this. I like this top a lot. I like the interesting sleeves, and it does have a elastic waistband, I don't really even mind it. I thought it looked okay. The problem I have with this top is the placement of that modesty snap. I just think it doesn't lay correctly on me. What I'm thinking about doing is purchasing it and wearing it open, removing the modesty snap and wearing this piece with a cami or a tee underneath. There's so many options, isn't there? Because this top is honestly too thin to be worn alone. It would have to be worn with a cami. So if you're wearing it with a cami or a tank top, you really don't need that modesty snap. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. I did share this with you wearing a flesh colored t-shirt, and I know that's not the best color to actually model it. I didn't even know that I was going to unsnap it for you until I did it. So let me know your thoughts on this one. $55 for this top. I think it's gorgeous. The Sanctuary top is $39.99, $40. You know how I felt in this blouse? I felt alive. This feels like springtime to me. I do believe that I tried this blouse before and loved it and couldn't afford it. So I feel like it's such a good deal. Now, I am not a big fan of cap sleeves or these little tiny flutter sleeves. My arms are not my best asset, but summer is coming and I live in the desert and this is going to be so very nice to wear. So I'm really thinking about keeping this one as well. So do you think I'm on the road to my 10% discount? I only need 4 items to get that extra 10%. These are the Articles of Society denim. These ones are $69.50. I love the hem detail. I think this is so unexpected. I haven't seen it yet. I'm sure it's going to hit all of the stores and we'll see distressing in this fashion. I love them. They're very, very comfortable. I did not want to take these off. I didn't. So that is a very good indication that I am going to wear and enjoy these denims. And $69 is not a bad price for a denim, not at all, especially when I know it's a brand that I truly love. They wash well, they wear well, they're very, very comfortable. So I have some new Articles of Society. Did that sound like I was bragging? I'm just happy about getting them. Next up is the Lush top, and this is in the color Poppy Red. And she sent this in a size small. I think it fit okay. I do really like the color. This is not the red, that regular red that I am so used to wearing. So this would be a little bit different from the red that I picked up. This does not pair well with my red sandals or my red flats, or truthfully any red shoe that I have in my collection, because it is just a little bit different. She asked me to style this with some sandals, and I think this would style very nicely with a gold metallic or any metallic, to be honest with you. I don't know if I need this. This had a very straight cut on me, and that's not always the best cut. $38 for this Lush blouse. Please share your thoughts on this one. Okay, next up is the I'm So Happy You're Not White pants, cut from the cloth white denim jacket with the frayed hemline, and the rest of the jacket is very clean, very simple, and I like that about the jacket. It's just so much more versatile when it doesn't have too much distressing. This one is in a size medium, and I felt like it was a little bit snug through the shoulders, and I only buttoned one button, but it kind of flattened out my chest, pancake chest. That's not a good look. I would seldom, if ever, button my denim jackets. But my biggest problem with this jacket is that it doesn't have pockets. I mean, sure, it has the pockets on the chest, but I never use these. I want some pockets to put my hands in, put my chapstick, my tissue. I don't think this is the one for me. I will ask my stylist to send another one, and perhaps in a size larger. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought this was going to be a new addition to my wardrobe, but I don't think so. Next up are the joggers by Z Supply. Now, Trendsend calls these the teardrop soft pants by Z Supply. These are $50. Let me tell you what I like about them. I do enjoy that interesting hemline. I think that is kind of cool. And they're so super soft. They feel like a pajama pant. But $50 for a pajama pant, these were in a size medium, and I would definitely want to size up if I was ever going to wear these out of the house. They are super, super, super comfortable. I could take a nap in these. I just don't think that I have the confidence to wear these out of the house. I like joggers that I can style with a high heel sandal, and I don't think these are going to work. Maybe if I had tried them in a larger size, I might feel more confident in them. So I can safely send the joggers back, and the cut jacket. I need pockets. It looks like I have 4 items. The Lush blouse, the Articles of Society, the Sanctuary Floral, and of course, my favorite, Sunday in Brooklyn. I think I just scored another 10% discount. Okay, I will not check out until I hear from you. Please let me know what you think about the items that I have tried on today from Trendsend. I had so much fun with this box. I really needed a good box. I've had a few duds in the past few days, so this felt awesome. Thank you so much for sticking around watching my video. Have you subscribed yet? If you are watching and you haven't subscribed, please take the time, subscribe, tap that bell, join me for another video, and could you give this one a thumbs up? I so appreciate you taking the time to rank my videos. It helps me so very much. I'll be back in a couple days, more clothes. Blessings to all of you.